In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can be a data ninja inside CRM, using field-based permissions to control who can see or edit specific bits of information. Think of it like giving your teammates just the right keys to open the right doors, keeping the CRM secure and super smart. I'll walk you through how you can set it up, show you a few cool examples, and by the end of it, you'll be the permissions pro in your team. So let's get started. To do this, you must be an administrator. I'm going to go to my administration drop down in my profile in the top right hand corner. Select admin. First of all, we need to go to the users section and create the new role. I'm going to call the role field level permissions. So once I've created the role, in here you can see I can set the access types, who can maybe delete certain information, who can edit certain information on all of the modules. But I want to go deeper than just the module. I want to restrict certain fields within the accounts module. So here you can see all of the fields I have available in my accounts module. I'm just going to create and edit a few just to show you for the example. So I'm going to say that the type is read only. I'm going to say the assigned to is read only and the billing address is read only. I am then going to save my role. What I've done here is I have said anyone that enters this role, the field level permissions, can only read the type, the assigned to, and the billing street. So anyone in this role can only edit that information. So I'm going to scroll down, go to users. I'm going to select the user that I would like to add. So Max. Select. So I've now added him to this role. I'm just going to jump to a system I prepared earlier. There we go. So I'm now just going to go into the Tesla account and I'm going to look at the assigned to, and you can see there that I was only able to click on the user's name. I can't change it. If I then also go to the billing address, I can't edit or amend anything to do with the address. And the last field that I amended, it was the type. So I can't amend any of the information that I restricted within that module. I hope that helps. Give me a shout if you have any follow-on questions. Thanks ever so much.